In this video, I will show you how to connect your Fitpro Smartwatch to phone. So if you have any Fitpro Smartwatch, it doesn't matter the model, this video will guide you on how to connect it to your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. In addition to that, I'm also going to be showing you how to perform certain tasks like receiving your WhatsApp and other social media notification from your phone to your Fitpro Smartwatch, making calls, and even changing the wallpaper of your Fitpro Smartwatch to a custom wallpaper or your own photo. Now, first things first, what you want to do is to get to your phone, and then you want to go ahead and download and install the Fitpro Smartwatch app into your phone. If you're not sure whether your smartwatch actually uses the Fitpro Smartwatch app, you can actually just scan the QR code on the manual that usually comes with the smartwatch, or just come over to your smartwatch and then you want to go ahead and look for the QR code app. Usually it is actually in the settings of the app, or in some cases you might just find it as one of the apps over here. Once you scan on this code using the camera app on your phone, you should be able to find out if your smartwatch actually uses the Fitpro Smartwatch app or not. In my case, it is actually the Fitpro Smartwatch app. If your smartwatch uses a different smartwatch app, just go over to the comment section, drop the name of your own smartwatch, and I'm going to guide you on how you can go about to connect your own smartwatch to your phone. But once you're sure that your smartwatch actually uses the Fitpro Smartwatch app, you want to go over to the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Alternatively, you can just open up the Fitpro Smartwatch app directly from here by just clicking on the Google Play Store. This will actually redirect you to the Google Play Store, and then you can now download and install the Fitpro Smartwatch app directly from here. And once the app is done downloading and installing into your phone, before you go ahead to open it up, you want to come over to the top notification center on your phone. Make sure that you turn on Bluetooth, and also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone as well. Once this is done, you can go ahead and open up the Fitpro Smartwatch app now. And the setup process is quite simple. What you just want to do is to agree to the terms and conditions over here, and then just proceed to give the app all of the permission it needs to function properly on your phone. So just click on the allow to access the location of your phone, and then next thing you want to do is to just go ahead and click on the set button over here, and then proceed to click on the bind device to experience more features. So just click on this and then click on allow. Now it will actually use the Bluetooth of your phone to search for your Fitpro Smartwatch anywhere it is. And over here is the name of my Fitpro Smartwatch, so I'll just go ahead and click it. It is the Watch 8, and now it is trying to connect. Just give it a few seconds. And once the connection is completed, you should be able to find the name of your smartwatch at the top over here, and both devices are now properly connected together. You also want to make sure you click on the got it button over here, and then just go over to the Bluetooth of your phone. So come over here and click on the pair button, just to make sure that you actually pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. So come over here, open up the Bluetooth of your phone, and then just make sure you also pair it through Bluetooth. As you can see, they are also paired through Bluetooth over here. Now once this is done, you have now successfully connected your phone to your Fitpro Smartwatch. And now that both devices are properly connected, here are some of the features you might want to check out from the Fitpro Smartwatch app. So come over to the push notification over here, click on allow, and if you want to be able to get all of your social media notifications like your WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media notification, you just want to come over to WhatsApp over here, make sure WhatsApp is turned on, and then click on open from over here. Go ahead and look for the Fitpro Smartwatch app, and then just enable this permission, that is the allow notification access. Once the permission is turned on, you can now go back to the Fitpro Smartwatch app, and then just make sure you enable WhatsApp from over here. Now once WhatsApp is enabled, you should now be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages from your phone to your Fitpro Smartwatch. You can go ahead and do this for the Facebook app as well, and any other social media available under the Fitpro Smartwatch app over here. Another interesting feature that you might want to try is actually the dye settings. Now from over here, you should be able to change the watch face of your Fitpro Smartwatch. So you can go ahead and select any custom wallpaper from over here. Once I select this one over here, and then just click on change dye, click on allow all, and then just go ahead and select any picture you want from over here. I'll go ahead and select any of my picture. Let's take for instance this picture over here. Once I select it, I can go ahead and crop it if I want to. Click on the check button at the top over here, and then just click on synchronize dye, click on synchronize dye, click on got it, and you just want to wait until the upgrading is completed, and you should be able to see your wallpaper that you have just set on your phone as the wallpaper on your Fitpro smartwatch. And mine has just completed. The smartwatch is going to restart itself, and as you can see, I have now been able to successfully change the wallpaper of my Fitpro smartwatch. Other interesting features you might want to try is actually the call feature. So from your Fitpro smartwatch, you can actually make calls. Once you press on this button and then get to the call icon over here, you can actually make calls from over here, and once you click on the call button, you should be able to make the calls on your phone as well. There are also other interesting features you can actually use from your phone to your Fitpro smartwatch app. Take for instance, if you come over here and then just look for the camera icon over here, you should be able to open up the camera on your phone and take pictures just from your Fitpro smartwatch. So I can actually click on by using this app and then just click on the start button, and I should be able to just take pictures from my phone using my Fitpro smartwatch. Using the Fitpro smartwatch app on your phone, you can also do other things like being able to find the Fitpro smartwatch. So if you click on the find button over here, you should be able to find your Fitpro smartwatch anywhere it is. Keep in mind, if you also want to be able to set the time on your Fitpro smartwatch, all you just have to do is to pair the Fitpro smartwatch with your phone, and it will automatically use the same time and date that is set on your phone as well. And basically, these are just some of the most interesting features of the Fitpro smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.